Hello, today I'm going to be filming about the Fisher-Price 360-degree jumperoo. It's jumperoo meant for babies ranging from 4 months till 12 to 13 months, until your baby loves to play. I have been using this item since my baby was around 6 months, and now he's 13 months and he's grown out of it. But during the time that we were using this product, he used to love jumping in this particular product. Fisher-Price 360-degree jumperoo is one of the best that there is in the market, and it's one of the highest rated playing toys product in Amazon.in and .com as well. As you can see, how it works is there's a seat right here wherein you put your baby's legs inside this seat, and the baby go inside, and there are a few playing toys, and it's a musical item. So when the baby jumps, the music goes on. As you can see, the lights are flaring. A baby can play with these items. There are a few of these items which the baby loves to reach out and play with. There is a rolling sun, there is a hidden tiger, there is a teething butterfly, yeah, that's what it is, and there is a dancing toad inside this. Overall, this product has been very useful for me when I want to do any of my personal work, like kitchen work, or want to leave my baby for 5 to 10 minutes unattended. I can leave the baby inside this. The baby loves to jump, play, explore, learn a few new things, and I can do my work without worrying of my baby boy falling down or anything, or getting hurt or something like that. So what I do is I put this item in my view while I'm working in the kitchen, and the baby would be playing inside this and jump. My baby doesn't jump on this item any further, but I do have old videos which I can share if any of you want to. But overall, this product is totally worth its money, and I got this item as a second-hand item in OLX, and I think this would range around 10 to 12,000 of an original item. Even if you buy it original, there is always a scope of selling it in the second-hand market like OLX and what's the other side? I don't remember the other side somehow. But anyways, and if you don't want to spend 10,000 in this item, then you can obviously go for the second hand market and buy. There are a lot of options always available. Might not be available in your particular city, but some of the second hand markets have now started to ship items on your behalf, so that might work for you. Okay, there are two options in the Fisher-Price 360-degree jumperoo. One is the space saver option, and the other one is this. I feel like this is the better option because while buying I did some research, and it was quite obvious that that obviously takes less space and good for apartment and all, but this has more jumping capacity because it is a it has three side jumping options. So all of these three pillars supports jumping. So if I'm pushing it like this, you can see all three of the pillars have these elasticated bands which move, and there are also 3 height level settings for your baby. So as your baby grows taller from 4 months till 12 months, you can adjust the height accordingly. I do not recommend leaving your baby in this item for more than half an hour to 45 minutes at one go, because they might get tired, and it's not good for them to dangle their legs for that long, especially younger babies in the 4 to 8 months range. So I suggest that you can leave the baby to play with half an hour 45 minutes until they themselves go bored of the item, and you can probably leave them twice in a day. So once in the morning and once in the afternoon. They jump in these items. Some of the babies get tired and they sleep well after this activity. So I think if you live in an urban setup, it's a very, very good investment, because you have this in your flat and it's not possible, you don't have too much space for the baby to move around, so baby can do some activities, learn a few things, enjoy the colors. This is a rainforest jumperoo, so the colors are really bright and vibrant. So I overall suggest you to go for this product. Thank you so much. Bye.